the market doesn't necessarily need to know what the key is. They just need to know that you have the key and they'll trust you in the path.
Yeah.
I think that's been one of the biggest things when I look at what is out there in the market. What does the market look like, right? Like we pioneered AI in the financial planning space, right? We were the first AI company back in 2018 when I initially created it. And they looked at me, they're like, you're an insane person. You're an insane
what
person.
What are you doing?
Yeah. And it was always the funniest thing because I'm like, man, I'm educating a whole new market on what it was. And I was way too early. Like you can never educate a market. The market has to be willing to be educated. And now fast forward and 6 years since I really dreamt up this crazy concoction of a company, now the market's there. The market wants to learn. They want to be able to utilize it because they know that they cannot move forward. They can't survive if they don't have it.